Hello everybody, welcome back. Ben the Pat Tester here. Cater and Pat Testing is the channel. I'm going to show you here a prime example of where a visual inspection has not been carried out properly from the previous Pat Testing company. The sticker's ineligible, there's no company name on there. There's no danger of me naming and shaming any companies, which I wouldn't do anyway, but this is just a prime example. So the item's been Pat tested back in 2021 by the looks of it, and prime example there, you can see the QC passed sticker, which is right over the top of the screw to open up the plug top. So, you know, you can pretty much guarantee that plug top has not been opened and that plug has not had a visual inspection on it when that Pat test was previously carried out. So if you are a Pat tester, you must be opening your plug tops. If you're a customer looking at this, wanting a company to do your Pat testing, then make sure that the company that you employ to do your Pat testing is opening the plug tops. And there's nothing wrong with just spot checking a company's work. If they're going around doing the Pat testing, just go and have a quick look, see whether these stickers are on the plugs here. And if they are, and they haven't been peeled off or they haven't been split, then you know that that Pat testing company that you're using hasn't opened that plug top, and they should be doing that to check the fuse inside, to check the terminal tightness, to check the cord grip, and just to check there's no visual damage like burning or anything like that. So yeah, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. Just comes down to knowledge, basically. That is what a Pat testing company should be doing, and if they're not doing it, then you need to pick them up on it, because you're paying for a job that's not being done properly. And then if you're a Pat testing company watching this, or a fellow Pat tester, or someone wants to get into Pat testing, the visual inspection, I always say, is the most important part of the Pat test. Not running it through the machine or anything like that. It's the visual inspection, probably 90%, 95%, probably even higher than that, of any problems or issues you find with an item will come from the visual inspection. So I can't stress enough how important it is to do it. So hope that helps. Hope you get something from the videos. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next one.